Hello, I'm Guy Hudson, I'm a physicist and I'm here to talk about the symptoms of electrosensitivity or electrohypersensitivity. More and more people are finding that they are becoming sensitive to electromagnetic radiation. And by that I mean the non-ionizing, so it's the radio stuff and the mains stuff. The low frequency, lower power kinds of radiation, not X-rays and gamma rays and all of that, and ultraviolet, not that side of things, but the lower power stuff, which until recently was not thought to be at all harmful by any number of people, although there were studies going back right to the 19th century showing that there were effects. Anyway, the leading book on the subject is this one. It's called Electromagnetic Sensitivity, a Summary, by Michael Bevington, and it's about 100 pages long, and half of them are just scientific references. So there's a huge amount of scientific evidence about this. And when he lists symptoms here, I counted them, there's over 100. But the typical ones are, it starts from the strongest source of electromagnetic radiation or radio waves for most of us is when we hold a mobile phone to our head. The safety rules of mobile phones, if you read the safety manual, are that you're supposed to keep the mobile phone 15 millimeters away at least of any part of your body. Now you can, that's not easy to do, but anyway, that's the strongest one. What typically happens is whichever side you get a hot ear. Your ear starts overheating, and then you would generally get other symptoms. There are things like difficulty in concentration, sleep disturbance, heart arrhythmia, headaches of all kinds, eye aches of all kinds, and that's enough. I mean, there are other symptoms such as digestive disorders, but usually that's combined with other problems such as food allergies. And actually, people who have asthma, eczema, food allergies, chemical sensitivities, do seem to be more susceptible. If you go to a meeting of electrosensitives, you normally find the food is gluten and dairy free, because most people are sensitive. So those are really the symptoms you're likely to begin to have. But as you can see from Bevington's book, which I'd recommend, and that's available for es-uk.org rather, and it's a pretty difficult technical read. It's best if you're a scientist, but it's the best book on the subject. Okay, well, I hope that was useful. Thanks.